This is the Arts and Minds group. They're a group of people with early stage dementia and their carers or a friend who come along on a regular basis to make works of art which helps with their cognition, it helps with their memory, helps with their dexterity, and it gives them a really good sense of well-being. This project has been an absolute gift because we were looking for something that was continuous, that the group could get involved with and remember and think about what they're making. So to have the Naval Heritage Figureheads project as something we can work towards to display in the foyer of the new box when it opens in 2020, it's extremely exciting for all of us.
We enjoy everything we do, we take it all in. Might not remember it when we get outside, but we take it in here.
There's a terrible sense of isolation with all the diagnoses that Mum has, and she has other health problems too. So for her to be in a group of like-minded people, to be able to pursue her creative talents and have a nice company, cup of tea and share the arts is really important because it's about building on memories that have worked throughout her life.
I think that a lot of the people who come here are they like company, they want to chat. Don't we all like to chat?
What's been the most enjoyable part of it for you?
Well, you see so many people, even in this positions,
It's very much about being in the moment, and in some ways it's more about a memory that's further back. So when we do about the figureheads, it relates to people's feeling about Plymouth, about the pride that they have in the town, how they know the box, how what the artefacts that they've seen there. It relates to a kind of lifelong experience of being in this city, and the figureheads somehow capture that. Just going to be brilliant. It'll be brilliant for all of us, because it's something that we can all share together. Everyone can share, which is fantastic. Look, you can't beat it.